Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have made this cute pouch bag using double-sided knitting pattern. To make this bag, I have used silk thread. You can use 4-ply wool also. You can use this bag to keep coins, lipsticks, some small makeup items, jewelry, and also your kid can use as a pencil pouch, but for that you have to make this pouch a little bit bigger. Let's start the video now. First make a knot. Now with this yarn needle make 42 loops. For double sided pattern, first knit one loop, move the thread, then without knitting just take the second loop. Again knit one loop, then take another loop without knitting. Like this manner, you just complete the first layer. Okay, now the second layer you have to do which loop you didn't knit. That loop you have to knit first, and the second loop which you have knitted before, that loop you have to take without knitting. In that manner, I have completed up to 4 inch. So this is my length of my pouch. Now you just take out the needle, and I'm going to segregate two parts. I have taken 42 loops. So now the back side and front side I will divide it in two parts, which will be 21 and 21. So the back side one, which will be over there, and now that this is the front side, this portion I will close. So just for closing the loop, we do like this. Back side one will come forward like this manner. You have to close. So 20 I have completed. Now the rest of the loops you just take near needle. Now I have over here for 20. So now I'm just going to close one more for doing 21. Now the remaining loops I will do the knitting of front reverse pattern. For that you have to move your yarn and do the front and reverse knitting. Like this manner I will complete 3 inch approx. Now as you can see, I have completed my 3 inch border, then I have closed it same manner. Rest of the yarn you just do like this and keep it inside. Here I am using round shape velcro. The yarn you just move like this, and in a corner I will make a loop for holding the pouch. Edge portion you just burn it so it will be secure, will not come out like this. the rest of the portion and secure. Here your pouch is ready for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like, please hit the like button.